Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for new subscribers and the existing subscribers. Trying to get to 1,000 now. It's very uphill. Today I'm going to make a drink called the rum pot. A lot of ways to make a rum pot. This is the Trader Vic's version. A little different alcohol in it. I'm going to use this Navy rum. His rum that he specified, 1972 book, doesn't exist anymore. So let's get started. Calls for 2 1/4 Navy rum. This is 111.4 proof. 2 1/4. Brings the ABV to 22, which is anywhere between 22 and 26.8, good range for a tiki cocktail. 1 lemon juice, fresh squeezed, and 1 1/2 Cara Cara orange juice. And 1/2 passion fruit syrup. You have to watch this stuff. Some of it's very strong, some of it's not. This is yellow, some is red. BG Reynolds uses the yellow. So we're going to do 1/2. If you use the Lieber brand, it's red and it's very strong. You must have to modify the recipe to use it. And 1/2 evaporated cane. This is evaporated cane sugar and water, 2 cane, 1 water, 1/2. And about 4 drops vanilla extract. Okay, and I've got a mug here, not a pot. This is recipe for 1. You double the recipe for the pot. And a straw. And this is the rum pot for 1. If you double it, you'll need to put it in obviously a bigger mug. If you're in the mood to subscribe, there's a brown icon right there. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.